we're back. It's Mrs. Compton. We're going to do some math. We're going to have some fun. And we're going to start first with, guess what? Did you guess the number talk? Probably not too hard to guess, huh? You know I love my number talks. All right, so the first one is going to be 10 equals blank plus 6. All right, so I want everyone to hit pause, and I want you to figure that one out. 10 equals blank plus 6. All right, did you unpause? Do you know the answer? Did you use your fingers? I did. Okay, so on the count of 3, I want to hear the answer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tell me. 4, 4, 4. Okay, let's find out. So if you have 10 and you have 6, we already know we have 6 right there, right? So we've got the 5 and then the 1 more. These are like my 6 right here. There would be 4 left, right? It's almost like I'm making a bird there, huh? Okay, so 10 equals 4 plus 6. Okay, so we can draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we already had 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my 6. And there's my 4. So my answer must be 4. Maybe you thought about it like this. 10 equals 4 plus 6. Or maybe you're just starting to know your friends of 10 and you have it memorized. That could be a thing too. Does anybody have it memorized? Okay, let's try another one. Are you ready? We're going to start with the 6 this time. We're going to go 6 equals, all right, here it comes. 6, wait a minute. I don't want to put equals. Please hold it. Let me change my symbol. Got it. 6 plus what makes 14? Okay, 6 plus what equals 14? All right, hit pause and figure that one out. Okay, let's see. Are we back? 6 plus what equals 14? All right, is it going to be more than 10 or less than 10? 6 plus 10 is 16. Okay, so our answer has to be less than 10. All right, on the count of 3, I want to hear it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, tell me. 8. Okay, let's find out. Maybe you used your 100 chart or your 120 chart. Where is my 120 chart? I keep using it, so then I just keep losing it. Got to get a little more organized. Okay, I'm back. I got my 120 chart. It's big, right? So we've got, just hang it right here. Let's just do that, you guys. Why not? Maybe you thought about 6 plus what would get you to 14. So maybe you said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did anybody do that? Wait a minute. I bet some of you may have used your 100 chart in a different way. Maybe you did this. Okay, I want to know, did anybody do this? Did anybody say 6 plus 10 would give me 16? But that's not the answer. I wanted to get to 14, and it's 2 behind. So maybe you said 10, 9, 8. Did anybody think about doing that? That's kind of crazy. What a good idea. Okay, let's see. I'm going to take more guesses. So maybe you started on a number line. Anybody do that? Maybe you started at the 6 and you had to end at 14, so you put the 14 there. And then you just took hops to find out how far it was. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And each one of these was a hop of 1, right? I'm going to put my little hops of 1, and then I have to write the numbers at the bottom. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 was already there. Okay, you guys. Now, maybe you say, the answer's 14. That can't be right. It equals 14. Maybe you said the answer's 6. But that can't be right. We started at 6. 6 plus what makes 14? Where is the answer, you guys? It's in the hops. Okay, so we hopped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Woo! We hopped 8 times. So that is our answer. 6 plus 8 makes 14. All right, you guys, are you ready? Ready, Freddy? This story is a nice holiday story, or actually just a winter story. And I used to live in a place called Ohio. It was very cold in the winters. I'm from Southern California. I'm from here. But just for a short while in my life, I lived in Ohio, and it was cold. And let me tell you something. As you would drive down the street, you would see lots of these things being built in the snow by lots of very happy children. Now, we don't get snow here in Southern California where we live, in the Los Angeles area, right? But you could go to Arrowhead, you could go to Big Bear, right? I bet some of you have actually made a snowman before. So our story today is about snowmen. Now let me get our 120 chart set aside. Oh man, and I already uncovered the numbers. Let me cover them back up. Don't tell me you saw them. I know some of you are saying, I saw it. No, just kidding. Okay, so we've got some snowmen here. We've got a snowman here with a hat and one that is not wearing a hat. And that is what our story is about. So, here we go. Read it with me. There were snowmen being built. Snowmen had hats, and the rest did not have hats. Look at me. I'm going to revise. There we go. How many snowmen did not have hats? Okay, so, gotta think about this in my mind. Gotta find out my number sets, and then I'm gonna make the picture. Remember, we need to read the story more than once. Okay, so here we go. We've got our numbers 10 and 3, 20 and 13, 31 and 13. And should I give you the just right number speech again? You have to make the just right number set that's right for you. Not this one if you feel like this one's already a challenge, right? And don't pick this one if you feel like this one could be easy. You have to pick the just right one. All right, so here we go. There were 10 snowmen being built. 3 snowmen had hats, and the rest did not have hats. How many snowmen did not have hats? All right, so we have to think. Some snowmen had hats, some snowmen did not have hats. Just like the picture. Hats, no hats. All right, so I need you to grab your 120 chart. I need you to grab your tools or your number line, your paper, your pencil, whatever you're using. Grab your dog if you have one and go get that work done. I'll see you next time. Bye, kids.